Hello my loves, in today's video I'll share how I deep condition my curls when they're feeling really dry and dehydrated. But if you're new, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more curly hair videos from me. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Starting off on cleansed and detangled hair, I like to fully saturate my curls with my favorite store-bought deep conditioner. This one is by Camille Rose Naturals and it is the coconut water treatment. This softens and hydrates my hair like no other. So I'm going to use a healthy amount, applying from root to tip and focusing on the extra dry areas that I have, like the back of my head, the front of my head, and the ends. With my Tangle Teaser, I like to brush the product through for a more thorough distribution. It does a much better job than a wide tooth comb or my fingers, and it helps to detangle my hair quickly without causing any breakage or harsh tugging. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I really love to braid my hair while I'm putting in any type of moisturizing treatment. My hair's also gotten really long and I can't really fit it into hair clips, so it's a lot easier for me to just braid it up and then wrap it around my head. And this is actually vital to the way I personally like to deep condition, and you're going to see why in the next few steps. A big key for me to get deeper hydration when I'm doing my deep condition routine is to actually use a Saran wrap. And if it's your first time using Saran wrap to deep condition, make sure that you take it out of the box so that it's a lot easier for you to wrap around your head. Alright, so grabbing a damp rag, I'm going to go ahead and place it on top of the Saran wrap and secure it in place with a shower cap. The shower cap that I really love is this one I got from Amazon, and I prefer this one because the tie is adjustable so I can fit it to my head properly without it slipping off or, you know, fitting awkwardly. And it's also super cute, that always helps. Let's get into how this DIY cap produces steam. When the heat combines with the wet rag, it produces a light steam, and this helps to open the hair shaft and allows the moisture from the deep conditioner to penetrate the hair more effectively. This is a really awesome tip I learned from a Dominican salon I used to go to growing up, and I haven't stopped using it since. Using heat is especially important for me because I have normal to low porosity curls, and the heat is pretty much my best friend when it comes to getting the most effective results. Here's my hair with absolutely no product in it. Now that my hair has better moisture retention and curl definition from my deep conditioner, I'm ready to style my curls for the next week, and then I won't have to touch it until the next wash day. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for coming through to watch this video. If it helps you out at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys around next time. Bye!